When it comes to protecting your Plymouth home from water damage, properly installed gutters play a vital role. They channel rainwater away from your roof, siding, and foundation, keeping your property dry and structurally sound. However, many homeowners make critical mistakes during gutter installation that lead to leaks, sagging, and costly repairs. Whether you're installing new gutters or replacing an old system, understanding these common pitfalls can help you avoid frustration and expense down the line. Choosing the wrong gutter size. One of the most frequent mistakes during gutter installation in Plymouth is selecting gutters that are too small for the home's drainage needs. Plymouth experiences a fair amount of rainfall throughout the year, so undersized gutters can easily overflow during heavy downpours. Standard residential gutters are typically 5 inches, but larger homes or steep roofs may require 6-inch gutters to handle the increased water flow. Consulting a professional to calculate your roof's water runoff capacity ensures you pick the right size to prevent flooding and erosion. Ignoring proper gutter slope. Gutters need a precise slope, about 1/4 inch for every 10 feet of length, to allow water to flow smoothly toward the downspouts. A common DIY mistake is installing gutters too flat or at an uneven angle. This results in standing water, which can lead to corrosion, mold, or even mosquito breeding. On the other hand, too much slope can make your gutters look crooked and cause water to rush through too quickly, missing the downspouts entirely. Always measure carefully and double-check your slope before securing the gutters in place. Using too few hangers or fasteners. Your gutters are only as strong as the hangers and fasteners that support them. Using too few can cause the gutters to sag under the weight of water or debris, especially during Plymouth's seasonal storms. Ideally, hangers should be spaced no more than 2 feet apart. Stainless steel or heavy-duty aluminum hangers are recommended to resist rust and maintain durability. Proper spacing ensures the gutters stay firmly attached and maintain their shape for years to come. Poor placement of downspouts. Even with perfectly sloped gutters, water will still overflow if the downspouts are incorrectly positioned. Many homeowners make the mistake of placing too few downspouts or installing them too far apart. A good rule of thumb is to install 1 downspout for every 30 to 40 feet of gutter. Also, make sure downspouts direct water at least 5 feet away from your foundation. In Plymouth, where older homes may have basements, improper downspout placement can lead to water pooling near the foundation and basement leaks. Overlooking ceiling and joint integrity. Every joint, corner, and seam in your gutter system needs to be sealed properly to prevent leaks. Skipping sealant or using the wrong type can result in water seeping through small gaps, eventually damaging your siding and fascia boards. High-quality silicone or rubber-based sealants work best for withstanding Plymouth's mix of rain, wind, and snow. Check all seams after installation and perform a water test to make sure there are no leaks before you finish the job. Ignoring the roofline and pitch. Gutters should align perfectly with your roofline, catching runoff without being too high or too low. Installing them too close to the roof can cause water to spill over, while positioning them too low means runoff might miss the gutter altogether. Roof pitch also plays a key role. Steeper roofs generate faster runoff, requiring a sturdier installation and more frequent downspouts to manage the flow efficiently. Skipping professional help while DIY gutter installation can seem tempting. It often leads to costly mistakes that professionals can easily avoid. Gutter experts in Plymouth have the tools, experience, and local knowledge to ensure your system is correctly measured, installed, and sealed. They can also recommend materials suited to Plymouth's coastal climate, such as aluminum or copper gutters that resist corrosion and handle heavy rainfall effectively. Final thoughts. Proper gutter installation is one of the most important investments you can make in your Plymouth home's longevity. By avoiding these common mistakes, like improper slope, poor downspout placement, or weak fastening, you'll ensure your gutters perform effectively year-round. Whether you decide to install them yourself or hire a local professional, taking the time to plan carefully will protect your home from water damage, save you money on repairs, and give you peace of mind during every storm.